Sorry, my lord. Just to create this, my lord.
Seen the case diary, we formed the, we can form a view on what the movement of the police officers was, who went, what time the body was first noticed, what time the body is brought, what time the inquest takes place, post-mortem, and then finally the FIR at 11:30 in the night.
No, even this UD case has 11 to 30. That's what I want to
No,
show.
no, no, that's not correct.
See the UD case.
Can your lordships just see this?
577 is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
Yes.
Can your lordships just have a look at it?
Yes. Yes.
Can your lordships have a look?
They have this information in the CD. They have this
Mr.
information.
Sibbal, please allow me now.
Mr. Sibbal,
Please allow me.
allow me what? You should have shown the CD, given the CD.
Lord, I don't
The
need to
original
fight,
should have
my
been
lord.
given in court.
In fact, this also matches with the FIR.
Lord,
FIR
there is a
says,
confusion, my lord. Please allow me.
Received date 9th August 24, time 10:10 hours.
My lord, if
Video
your lordship
number
gives me 2 minutes, my lord.
Exactly.
My lord, I may be right, I may be wrong. Give me 2 minutes, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, this 10:10, my lord.
Yes, yes.
This is GDE, called General Diary Entry.
Right, at the
Correct.
police station.
At the first, yes, at the police station. Please, my lord, thereafter come to this, my lord. My lord, your lordship, I do not know the number of the compilation, but it is page 47 on the top.
Yes, 47 we got.
Correct?
This is the same.
Your lordship, please, Mr. Sibbal,
Yes, continue.
there is always a courtesy to each
Yes,
other.
yes.
Lord,
Exercise.
this is 576, 2330. Correct, my lord? Now read this, my lord. In reference to Tala PS General Diary Entry number 542 of date, return to PS with so-and-so, so-and-so. Please ignore it and come to the next page. After return to PS under order of office something, an UD case has been registered with a Tala PS number so-and-so 861. So this UD case is registered, my lord. Earlier was GD entry. This is UD case at 2330 and at 2345 FIR is registered.
Well, see page 40, it just shows, my lord,
That's, my lord, how the chronology we have, my lord, presented.
muddy the waters. It's all muddy the waters. That's what you're doing.
Just see 42. Just see 42.
42, my lord.
GD number 542, dated 10:10 a.m. Received information over the telephone from Agikor Medical College Hospital Police Outpost that a lady of PG trainee of so-and-so
Was found lying in unconscious state at so-and-so medicine department of 3rd floor of emergency building in so-and-so, according to informed sector 92 OC and under his order, leading PS with lady police. So this is, my lord, general diary entry. What is?
That is what DD is. That's
Lord,
what
somebody has lost the
That's
life.
according to the
Don't
rules.
at least laugh.
One second. According
at
to
least
rules
laugh.
Maharaj, that we follow,
A girl has
these
lost
regulations
her
we've done
life
in accordance.
in a most inhuman
That's
and
not-
undignified manner.
Maharaj, these are the rules, and we have followed to the T the rules
Yes,
of the
I will show that
of
what rules are.
unnatural death end.
My lord,
The Solicitor General. First, a general diary entry is made. Thereafter, the police proceeds to the spot with the case diaries.
Correct.
Case general diary is kept at the police station.
Which
Case
is
diary is carried to the spot.
Yes.
Now, the relevant part would be
Yes.
this part, which is a inquest report.
Yes,
This shows that the information regarding unnatural death was received and registered as case number 861 on 9/8/2024 at 10:10 hours.
That's correct.
Yes.
And this extract is the general diary which the police complete
We will
after the
examine
day
this
is over.
aspect and come back to you.
It carries various steps that have been carried out during the course of the day.
That's right.
So that is
And
what
I can assure my learned friend, this is not an attempt to muddy the water, to remove the mud
have
from the
already
water,
muddied.
because we are dealing with a delicate situation. Somebody's dignity is
Oh, come
lost.
on, come on. We all know that. We are all, it's a tragic incident. It's barbaric, and we are on the same side.
Your side was
But let's
laughing.
not muddy
That's
the waters on
really
investigation.
unfortunate.
The only one point which we also see is that the UD, I'll read out the relevant part. This is at page 74. Accordingly, PO has been cordoned under proper guard. Also, several witnesses were examined and their statements were recorded. Consulted CCTV footages in and around the vicinity of the PO. After post-mortem and inquest, the dead body of the deceased has been handed over to her mother, so-and-so. After return to the police station, under order of officer in charge, so-and-so, and UD case has been registered by Tala PS UD case number 861, dated 9 August 2024. All concerned, including superiors, were informed. After return to the police station, the seized articles were kept in PS Malkhana by Malkhana number 52 in the presence of ASI and constable so-and-so. Now, and officer in charge was informed. So it appears that the initial report of an unnatural death was received and which was recorded in the GD at as
So
5:40.
not unnatural death,
Once.
unconscious body. The doctors are informing the police that there is an unconscious
Found
body.
lying in unconscious state. That is
Not
not
a you don't have to be a doctor to
That is-
know that it's not
that
unconscious
is at,
body, it's a
that is
dead
at
body.
10:10 a.m.
Yes.
GD 542.
This is from the outpost, Malaj.
Right.
This
The
information is
unnatural
from the
death.
outpost.
The unnatural death is
Received from police's
recorded by
outpost.
entry 861. After they return to the police station at night.
That is how we have
And
seen.
11:30 in the night, the FIR is registered. In the meantime, the body has been handed over to the mother for the purpose of.
And that too, the father insists for registration of the
Yes,
FIR.
absolutely.
The hospital does not register the FIR. Father has insisted and registered the FIR.
The father told us, you wait till I tell you, then
No,
only
no,
register.
No.
I will give a written complaint. That's what happened. At least tell us what's been happening in the investigation in trying to say that this happened at 11:45.
The family is here, Malaj. The
State has.
Is appealing, my lord.
One clarification which we need.
Certainly, Malaj.
If the report of the police indicates that after return to the police station, GD 861 was recorded. In the meantime, the dead body had been handed over to the mother for cremation. If this does not square up with the fact that the inquest refers to GD 861. Inquest takes place. I have the inquest of the judicial magistrate.
Right.
Judicial magistrate says I conducted the inquest at 4:20 p.m. on the 9th of August.
Correct.
That inquest report refers to GD 861.
Yes.
Now, if the police say that the GD 861 was recorded on return to the police station just before, obviously before the FIR is recorded that night, how is it that an inquest at 4:20 refers to 861?
Lord, I do not know how it will
This is
turn.
just recording.
It
This is
says
just
UD
recording.
861.
Just
Not
an expression, Malaj. It's just recording.
It says UD
Ask
861.
the ACGM, Malaj. Ask
Not-
the ACGM. He was there. Ask the ACGM, Malaj. Everything is on record. Your memo says 861. Postmortem says 861. And Malaj, the real thing is the investigation. Why are we moving away? What has happened in the investigation?
My lord, my lord, my friends may share the timelines with us.
Do you have the postmortem report? Yes. Just pass it on.
I'm sorry, Malaj.
Postmortem.
Postmortem, yeah.
Lord, the state says father
3, Malaj. Page
Father
1-3.
did not permit registration of FIR. The father's counsel is here.
Page 1-3, Malaj. Page 13
And he,
of the case diary.
So the state will wait for the father.
Page 13 of the case diary.
In this PM note, is there a reference of 861 somewhere? Top.
At the top, my lords.
Where?
First line, my lords, reference
Yes,
to the PS.
yes, okay.
Right on top.
Right on top. It's there. UD case number.
Appears then that at the time when the PMR was when the postmortem was conducted, UD 861 had already been there.
That's right. There's no doubt about it, Malaj.
The inquest
Malaj,
number is also
people are
there.
using some language, some expressions, Malaj. Bengali speaking people are using some expressions in English.
No, there is no Bengali.
only-
in the-
come on.
They are-
The record will show.
No, why does the IO then say that after I return to the police station in the night, I record?
Because he has to record, what has happened all this while. That's the point.
PMR,
He is
in the
recording minutes of the
Exactly.
meeting, my lord.
But the
Which-
investigation.
The point is, we are more concerned about the investigation, what has happened in the last
Exactly,
1
that's
week. At
what
least
is
tell the
being
court that.
in the
He's right.
there
They
is
were
one
more
point.
concerned about the
Maybe inform the
investigation,
court.
which is emerging now.
Lordship, the PMR talks about 151 mg of semen. It is never in mg.
No, it is
It
not
is in
semen.
ml.
It is the weight
It is in.
So please, come on. This is the
Let's not-
problem that.
We are at the very incipient
let-
stage, but don't confuse this.
Yeah.
Don't use social media to make arguments in the court.
I'm grateful, my lord, for that. I'm grateful.
We have specifically now
Yeah.
the PMR before us, and we know what that 151 refers to.
Yes.
Yes.
Let's not use, what we read on
What is
social
happening.
media and then make legal arguments on that basis. That's
Manoj,
what-
I have a very.
God
of-
makes-
Manoj, 1 second. Now, Manoj, your lordships asked me that you will give me a chance, Manoj, after this is over. I have a very serious issue at hand, Manoj, and I want to hand over an affidavit to you. Just please give it. And I'll hand over that affidavit also to the solicitor, but only to him. Manoj, just give it. Just go through this affidavit, Manoj.
They're only giving.
Only to him.
Yes, I'll give it.
Well, just read through this, see what's going to happen. Para 5 onwards, page 2, Manoj. These are collateral events, Manoj. They are bound to happen.
And this is again on social media, my lord, something on.
No, not
I-
social media. We've got the
My
original.
lord, state filing an affidavit based on social media.
Just let the court please read it. Then para 8 is also important.